Hello everyone, this is me again, Patrick, live from the Drum Pass Studios. Today, we are going to learn a new rudiment. This one is going to be a bit different than the first one we learned. Let me show it to you. I want you to count to 4. On 1, play with the right hand on the snare. 1, 2, left hand on snare. 3, right hand on the snare. And 4, left hand on the snare drum as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to play a bit softer. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to play the second hit a bit harder than all the other hits. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, now try to take the left hand to the remaining drums. Let's play, for example, the first one on the snare, the second on tom 1. In this case, it's going to be this one. The third one on tom 2, and the fourth one on the floor tom. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's try to play it with the metronome. Let's start with 40 BPM. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to play it on 50 BPM. But of course, at home, don't move to the next speed before you master the one you're already playing it. Okay? And try to move 5 beats per minute after 5, not more. Okay? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it on 60 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to play it with a rhythm. Let's pick the rhythm we played in the previous video, which was 1, 2, 3, 4. As for how to play the rhythm with the metronome, I'm gonna show you how now. On 60 BPM as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rudiment. Now for how to practice it at home, it's easy. As I told you before, start with 40 BPM and try to push it 5 BPM after 5 BPM. And try to play it with the rhythm. It's much more fun. Now we're gonna stop for this rudiment. We're gonna move to another one. But this one, try to push it as much as you can. Let's move to the second rudiment. In the second rudiment, we're gonna move the accent, the hit we're playing hard, to the third one. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking it to the drums, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the metronome on 40 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move to 50 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it on 60 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I want you to try to play it with the rhythm, starting it again, but with the rhythm this time. And that's all for this rudiment. Try to push the limits as much as you can. We move to the last rudiment of this video. In this one, we move the hard hit to the last one. So it's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So let's try to play it with the metronome on 40 BPM. Now on 50 BPM. Now on 60 BPM. Finally, let's try to play it with the rhythm on 60 BPM as well. And that's all for this rudiment. Always keep in mind to always practice, repeat, and try to push your limits to the max. That was all for this episode, and see you in the next one.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.